What are your plans for retirement? Want to travel the world? Visit with family and friends? Indulge your passion for gardening or photography? Or just spend your days on some secluded beach? Whatever your plans may be, you're going to have to find a way to pay for it. So how do retirees support their lifestyle once their working years are over? If you've been contributing to your employer-sponsored retirement account, hopefully you've accumulated a tidy nest egg. Once you hit age 72, you'll need to take required minimum distributions, mandated withdrawals that you can use to pay your living expenses in retirement. You can start collecting Social Security as early as age 62, though the amount will be lower than if you wait until your full retirement age. By waiting longer, you can receive even more. While not as common as they used to be, you may receive regular payments from a company pension plan if you've worked a certain number of years with the same employer. Withdrawals from individual retirement accounts or IRAs are taxable as income, whereas Roth IRA distributions can be tax-free if you meet certain requirements. Annuities are an insurance product that pays a guaranteed income stream in the future. Your payments may be fixed, variable, or indexed to a market benchmark depending on the type of annuity you have. You can supplement tax-advantaged retirement accounts with income from personal savings and investments. Many advisors recommend withdrawing no more than 4% per year, adjusted for inflation. Putting together income streams to fund your retirement can be complex, and that's where a qualified financial professional can help you run the numbers. The earlier you start putting a plan in place, the better. So, start preparing for your golden years today.